Alright guys, let's see if this thing will cut. Yep. See if it'll peel it. Let's try to peel it. Very, very sharp. Alright guys, now that we see the knife will cut, let's talk about it a little bit. This is a Cara Cara 2, a Byrd, B-Y-R-D, Byrd, Byrd is the word, is a Cara Cara 2. It is a less premium version of a Spyderco Endura 4. Has the Comet eye, the Byrd eye. I like it. It is 8CR13 MOV, which I have never had any problems with that kind of steel. I have had this knife a while. I just never did a video on it because I do have a couple of them. I think I might have a video or two of a Cara Cara in different color. It is blue. Yeah, I know I'm a blue obsessed knife guy. It has FRN scales, which are, if you look at them, they're similar to the Spyderco pattern, just a little different. I mean, Spyderco owns this, you know, but it's just a cheaper version of a Spyderco Endura. I mean, when I say cheap, I just mean more, you know, less expensive, because it's not a cheap knife at all. It's a really good knife. It's a good usable knife. The overall length on it is 8.5 or 8.56. The blade length is 3 3/4, 3.75, 9.5 centimeters. If you're metric, overall length is 21.7 centimeters if you're metric. And like I said, 8CR13 MO steel. It is a full flat grind drop point. The FRN is the reinforced nylon. I'm trying to read a little bit. It has the David Boy dent mid lock back. It weighs 3.4 ounces. In this configuration now, they do have a G10 model of this that I have not been able to come across that is a little heavier and weighs about 4 1/4. It's tip up, tip down carry. So I generally like to carry mine tip down. Sorry, ball. But you know, I may change it to tip up, so or at least put it on that side so that blade will be towards the pocket side, like where I got it. Like right now, that's when you put your hands in your pocket, you get that blade. So you can reverse carry it just like that on your right side. You just put the pocket clip over here. A little warning on these things, there is a lot of thread lock on these things, so you have to heat them up. Like, I take a hair dryer and just like get it really, really hot before you take the screws out, because it will destroy these torque screws. They are T6, and you just have to be careful with that. I've learned that the hard way. Like with a Spyderco Endura, you don't have to heat them up; they'll come right out. But these you do, which is surprisingly, with it being a China-made knife. And that is another thing. I mean, it is made in China. I like the knife. I mean, I think it's a really good knife for the money. At the time, I'm not 100% sure what the cost of it is. I mean, Spyderco, they're they're showing like $55 right now there, you know, from Spyderco, but I don't know what the actual, what you could get it for, like on, you know, Amazon or anything like that. Uh, Probably, I don't think you can get them for 30 anymore, but maybe 40. Uh, I mean, I'm not sure like what the prices are right now. I think I saw last time I saw one on Blade HQ, it was like $37, and I think it was on sale. So I mean, the set price for this is about 50, and you can get it somewhere between, I don't know, 40, maybe mid 40s, something like that. But it's better than paying $100 for a knife, for a Spyderco, and in my opinion, this is just as good as a Spyderco. I don't know. I mean, I think it's a little shorter. I mean, it feels good in the hand. It comes kind of to a point here where a Spyderco Endura is kind of rounded off. I really like these knives. I do have a few. I think I have a brown, a black, and this blue on the Cara Cara 2. And of course, I have some, you know, multiple colors in the Spyderco Endura 4. And, you know, I pretty much always carry one of these or either a bug out, but I really prefer, I don't know, I prefer these because of that big blade. This does have a finger chill where the Endura doesn't. So in case you want to get in, you know, do some whittling work, or, you know, I'm not gonna say a like defense, because I don't recommend knives for self-defense, but it's a good tool. Um, like I said, overall good balanced knife. Like it. If you're interested in one, well, I'm not gonna leave any links because, you know, I paid for this. So it's sponsored by Shiny Knife Incorporated. So if you want one, I will show you the model number. It's now take into consideration this is my brown one, but it'd be the same code. It would just say BL instead of the brown. I don't have the box for the blue one because I don't remember how long ago it's been. How long I've had it, but I don't have the box for it. But anyway, I appreciate y'all listening to me ramble a little bit. It's a good knife. If I could only have one knife and I really didn't have a whole lot of money, I would definitely pick up that, because you know, it's a good all around. It's big enough to work with, light enough to carry all day, and it gives you multiple options of carry. It's solid. It's got a good everything. I mean, I just can't say enough about these kind of knives. I just really dig them. I appreciate y'all watching the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.